Firstly, go to Settings and search on Contacts, above at the search bar. Tap on Contacts Accounts. Tap on Add Account, then select Google. Now log in your Gmail and password, then click on Next to continue. Tap on Continue. Tap on Continue again. Now turn on Contacts. You can still decide to turn on the rest of the apps there too.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you